What's up guys, Nubdub here, back with another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading, it's just been cold weather. I'm sure you guys know about the crazy winter weather that's been happening around the country, especially in the Midwest. Yeah, the weather here hasn't been that great, so I haven't really been able to take my car out. But recently the weather started to warm up, so yeah, first thing I did was got the car washed, and here she is. And here's the Tesla. The Shelby has about 760 miles now, and the Tesla has, what, 200 miles? So today's video, I'm going to be installing the JLT oil separator and the ZL1 Rock Guards. I highly recommend these mods for enhancing the longevity of your car. So the JLT oil separator will be installed where the engine blow-by hose usually goes. So what this will do is it will catch any oil particles that enter the blow-by hose. It prevents those oil particles from being fed into the intake manifold. Too much oil buildup will hinder the engine's performance, so we definitely don't want that happening. So this oil separator will improve the engine's cleanliness, its health, and its longevity. And the ZL1 Rock Guards, it will pretty much basically do what its name is, guard. Like, it will protect rocks from pretty much getting thrown up from these tires. These Cup 2 tires are very sticky, and I always hear rocks getting picked up, and not just rocks, like any sort of road debris. These tires pick them up and kind of just throw them around. So yeah, these Rock Guards pretty much will be installed right in this area. I'm going to take this foam insert out, hopefully prevent rocks from scratching up the paint here along the door and the rear quarter panel. So this hose right here is the blow-by hose. With the JLT oil separator, basically what's going to happen is all I'm doing is just taking this hose out and replacing it with, I'll be replacing it with this bad boy. So it's probably going to go like, I think this end goes here, and then this end goes over on this side. So yeah, let's get to it. So to remove this hose, there's a little tab right here. You just pull it, and it should come right out. Yeah, there you go. Let's get this side over here. This one's a little tight. There you go. Yeah, there's a little bit of oil. Kind of hard to see, but you can see there's a slight coating inside. I mean, I've only put 760 miles on this car, so it's not gonna be a lot, but it's better getting this done sooner than later. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright, so let's snap this in. Yeah, hear that click? That means this is in. Now we just have to get the other hose in. It's gonna be a little bit tough. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this down because I'm gonna need both hands for this. Alright, so to get this end in, I actually disconnected this cable just so that it's easier for me to fit this end in. Otherwise it would be like pushing down this cable, and it just felt a little messy. And I kind of felt like I was forcing this in. So without the resistance of this cable like in the way, I can just push this. There you go. Alright, so that's in, and then let me just plug this cable back in. Alright, there we have it. JLT oil separator passenger side has been installed. Also, it's super easy to remove the catch can for the JLT one. All you have to do is pretty much just you hold the filter in place, and then you just unscrew this bottom part, And yeah, and then you just empty the oil, clean it up, and then screw it back on. It's pretty cool. Very simple to use. Alright, so now that we've installed the oil separator, I'm going to move on to the ZL1 Addons Rock Guards. So pretty much the procedure for this is I'm going to use this alcohol and my microfiber towel to wipe this inner piece of the fender. Just pretty much have to clean it up because these rock guards do have a little bit of 3M adhesive. So once that's clean, I'm going to remove these push pins. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, so now you can see the push pins a little bit better. Yeah, one here, here, and there. So I have to remove those, and then they're gonna fit through the holes on the rock guard. So it's gonna hold the bottom part in place, and then the top part of the rock guard is gonna be held by the 3M adhesive. So yeah, that's the plan. So I just noticed, unfortunately, I already have some rock chips forming here. I kind of wish I did this sooner, but it's okay. It's going to be covered by these anyways. So now I'm going to remove the push pins. And how I'm going to do that is I have my flathead screwdriver. I'm pretty much just going to pry the pins out. So let's see how that goes. Let's try getting this upper one out first. So once you use your screwdriver, I use a shorter one because it was easier for me to get inside. But yeah, once you pry the pin a little bit with the screwdriver, there's a little gap. I got one of these prong tools. I don't know if there's a specific name for it, but yeah, this actually helped remove one of the pins. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to align this rock guard so that these holes go right over where the push pins came from. It's kind of hard to see. So there's the push pins, here are the holes. So you just kind of align it. And then once it's aligned properly, pretty much just place the push pin through the hole and then fasten it. Alright, so as you can see, I've put the first piece, or the first parts of the push pins inside. So the next part is, before I reapply the push pin covers, I'm gonna slowly peel off a portion of the 3M backing tape, and then from there I'm just gonna, as I'm peeling the backing tape off, I'm gonna stick the 3M to this fender piece. I'm gonna take off a portion of this, and remember I already cleaned this off with alcohol, so I'm just gonna stick that on, and then see how I'm just sliding the tape down. Yeah, that's gonna happen. There you go. I'm gonna stick that right there. Yeah, just press it down real well. As you can see, this is blocking the splitter entrance. And since this is a little bit wider, it sticks out a little bit. This should prevent rocks from being kicked up by these sticky Cup 2 tires and having those rocks thrown across the paint and the body panels. So yeah, this looks real nice. Alright, so that concludes my install video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching. I'm so close to 100 subscribers, so if you could help me reach that goal, that'd be great. And I'm also thinking about having a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if that's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. If you want to see any other videos, also put that in the comments. If you think that these mods are worthwhile, or if you think that they're kind of a waste of money, I also want to hear your opinion. So yeah, drop it in the comments below and I'll respond as quickly as I can. And yeah, with spring approaching, that's obviously car season, so there's gonna be a lot more content coming from me. And yeah, I'm excited to share my adventures with you guys, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.